We'll guide you through how to use HEVC video extensions in VLC Media Player. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because HEVC videos sometimes fail to play smoothly in VLC due to codec or hardware settings. Users want a quick fix without installing extra software. This guide helps them adjust playback settings, improve compatibility, and ensure their videos run properly without lag, errors, or missing visuals. To begin the process, launch the Windows Start menu on your computer by clicking the Start button located at the bottom left corner of your screen. Once the menu opens, enter VLC Media Player into the provided search bar to quickly locate the application. When the search results appear, start the VLC Media Player application on your device by selecting it from a list. After opening the program, a floating window will appear displaying the main interface of VLC Media Player. You can play HEVC videos in VLC without extra setup in most cases, but if the video fails to play properly, there are specific settings you need to activate. To begin adjusting these settings, click Tools in the menu section at the top of the application window. After clicking, a pop-up menu will appear with several options. From this menu, click Preferences to open the configuration panel. A new floating window will then appear, showing various settings categories for VLC Media Player. Within this window, select Input/Codecs to access video decoding options. In this section, locate the hardware accelerated decoding setting and change it to automatic to allow VLC to optimize playback performance based on your system. Next, find the Skip H.264 section and set it to None to ensure that no frames are skipped during playback, which can improve compatibility with certain video formats. After making these changes, click Save to apply the new settings. Once the configuration is complete, you can proceed to play your HEVC video. To do this, click the Media menu located at the top left of the VLC window. A pop-up menu will appear, and from this menu, select Open File to browse your files. A File Explorer window will then appear, allowing you to locate where your video is stored. Select the desired HEVC video file, then click Open to start playback. The video should now play smoothly with the updated settings applied correctly.